Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku. Sudoku is a fascinating logic-based number placement puzzle. Your main objective is to fill a 9x9 grid with digits from 1 to 9. The key rule is that each number can only appear once in every row, every column, and every 3x3 subgrid. It's a game of deduction and careful observation, offering a rewarding mental challenge for everyone. Let's look at the grid structure. A standard Sudoku puzzle consists of a large 9x9 grid totaling 81 individual cells. This larger grid is further subdivided into 9 smaller 3x3 boxes. At the start of each game, several cells will already contain numbers. These pre-filled numbers are your crucial starting points and cannot be changed throughout the puzzle. Now, let's dive into some simple solving techniques. Begin by scanning the grid for rows, columns, or 3x3 boxes that already have many numbers filled in. Identify the missing digits in these areas. Then, for each missing digit, check its presence in the intersecting rows and columns. This process of elimination will help you deduce where the missing number must be placed in that specific section. To improve your Sudoku skills, here are some helpful tips. Always look for cells where only one number can possibly fit, known as a single candidate. Consistent practice is key to developing your pattern recognition and logical deduction. Begin with simpler puzzles to build confidence, then gradually challenge yourself with more difficult ones. Enjoy the process of mastering this classic number puzzle.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.